guys, it's me. I got someone else on the camera this time so that I can focus on trying to show you the Soup Kitchen's annual Thanksgiving dinner setup is today. This November 21st, 2013. And right now, I'll show you some of the setup here, what we got, and some of the things that are pretty much typical and some of the things that are unusual for everyday lunches. This is the typical here. Your coffee, your coffee cups, your microwave, your little pastries, the juice. That's the typical everyday. Okay? This in here, we're going to be having our Thanksgiving buffet in here. Serving all of the different parts of the Thanksgiving dinner today at this table. Over here is an example of a table that is being set for this holiday season. You've got a tablecloth on it. It has nice little place settings areas over here. And because it's not quite yet, they're still kind of setting up here. And this here is one of the staff members. And anyway, so today that lunch will be from about 11:30 to 12:30. Today only for Thanksgiving dinner. Instead of when Thanksgiving officially is next week. That's because it will be closed on Thanksgiving and the day after Thanksgiving, so that the staff can go home with their family and their friends and have their Thanksgivings.
We're going to stop and give thanks to God for all He's done for us. It's a wonderful meal for the people who have been working their tails off to make it for us. And we thank you all for coming. Lord, we do just thank you for being who you are and for taking care of our every need. We thank you for this food, and I ask you to bless it to us, to your service. Amen. Amen. Thank
Everybody sit down. Okay. You got called table by table, right?
These are some of the volunteers that help serve the meal. This is how it's done. People get their plates, they bring them to the line, they select which items they want, and then they, over there, as I said before, is coffee and the juice. And they tend to call the tables individually because otherwise there would be a mob. Already some of the tables are being served now, as we can see people coming through. For confidentiality of the people, we will not be showing their faces, only because I respect people's privacy. I am not the National Security Agency. So as they go through the line, they get their food. Just gonna back here so I don't get in their way. Unfortunately, I accidentally ran onto somebody else, so I'm gonna back up. Sorry about that. Lunch, of course, on the tables we have these little condiments, these little odds and ends. There was some cheese here. Obviously, ate that up already. This is our table. There's little crackers, and there's some meat, pepperoni, and olives, and there's a place setting decoration and things like that. And so that's kind of what it is. So the point is what the Soup Kitchen Thanksgiving dinner is like. It's not much, but it is a meal for many people in the community I'll get out of the shadow here, so that they can actually have a meal for the year. And they also have a Soup Kitchen dinner for Christmas as well. But I don't know if that's going to be held at Kelly's Kitchen this year or if it's going to be held elsewhere. Last year it was held elsewhere. It was not at Kelly's Kitchen. But that will be coming up in a couple of months. We'll find out as we go about the Kelly's Kitchen or whatever dinner. I will present the information to you when I get it. Don't forget also on December 21st, 2013, of course, I will be here at the Soup Kitchen, and my official role as North American Snow Queen. I'll have a symbol holiday message for Yule, and that will be here. I also, of course, will be recording it on YouTube as well. So the YouTube one you'll be seeing at midnight at Universal Coronation time, right after that, on December 21st. And then the Soup Kitchen one will come the next day. So for those people in the UK, you'll probably see yours a few hours later. But December 21st, Eastern Standard Time, around 11:30, I will be doing a convocation message here at the Soup Kitchen, which will be broadcasted to you on YouTube when I get home. So, that's about it, okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe and give thanks to other things that you can give thanks for every year. It's what Thanksgiving is. Thanksgiving, by the way, is to give thanks for giving. So if you think of all the blessings you received in your life, this is the time to give thanks and praise for those blessings. Thank you, guys. Now